Kumu's blank canvas is a great place to build when your maps are free-form, spreading out in all directions or floating into their own unique layout. But sometimes you might want a little more visual support in the background, and in those cases you can use underlays. In this video, I'll show you how to use the advanced editor to add 3 types of underlays, which are grids, guides, and radars. To add a grid, just create a settings block in your editor and set layout grid to on. The map is now covered with a grid, and just to make sure you can see that here in the video, I'll use the layout grid color property to make it a little darker. The second type of underlay is guides, which you can think of as individual grid lines. You can use the layout guides property to define these. I won't go into too much detail on the syntax here, but you can find full instructions in the documentation. Finally, you can add a radar underlay by setting radar to on. You can also use the radar rings property to customize the number of rings and their labels. And you can use the radar axis property to customize the number of axes and their labels. It's also worth noting that our system's leverage template includes a radar, and you can set that up simply by setting template to systems leverage. To learn more about customizing all these supporting graphics in Kumu, go to docs.kumu.io and search underlays.